Replacing ring motor seals has traditionally been a demanding job, time-consuming, labor-intensive, and a contributor to operational downtime. At ABB, we have leveraged valuable customer feedback and can now introduce our new gearless mill drive modular sealing system. This next-generation solution keeps all the proven benefits, including a greaseless sealing system that protects motor windings from harsh environments. The technology solution comes as a pre-assembled modular design, offering enhanced sealing performance, extended seal life, and significantly reduced downtime during replacement. Because seal wear is inevitable over time, ABB believes that easy replacement should be straightforward and low effort. This breakthrough lies in enabling seal replacement without dismantling the sealing system or removing stator covers. A dedicated maintenance position allows seal carrier segments to retract, providing quick and easy access without lifting heavy parts, significantly improving safety. This innovation reduces the number of parts to be removed by roughly 70%. The new T-Seal introduces a form-fit concept, eliminating the need for hundreds of fixation bolts. Main seals are secured using lock discs positioned at the center of each carrier segment. With a simple 45-degree turn of a wrench, both main seals can be clamped or released, making replacement fast and straightforward. Another innovation is real-time seal wear monitoring. This enables predictive maintenance, smarter planning, and early detection of abnormal conditions. Finally, maintenance clamps ensure the sealing system remains attached to the rotor covers, even when a stator cover is removed, eliminating unnecessary disassembly of the sealing system during service operations. ABB's modular sealing system delivers increased safety, faster and less frequent replacements, and real-time monitoring. This innovative design minimizes downtime, enables smarter maintenance, and ensures maximum availability. ABB's modular sealing system for GMD ring motor, designed for safer maintenance, built for maximum uptime,